Okay, I started with credit bureau reporting back in 1985. I was a programmer with Toronto Credit Bureau at the time. At that time, it was already an automated system with an online system, and they had just recently completed converting all the paper files over to electronic format. At that point in time, PCs were not much in use, so what we had was cathode ray tube terminals, and we accessed our systems using that format. The kinds of data that was on the original credit bureau in Toronto Credits was very similar, in fact, to the data that Equifax had in the ACRO system. And that large project was used back then, around 1990, to convert the Toronto credit data into the ACRO format of data. It was a big project that was done. And I do recall when we switched over to the ACRO system, a bunch of us actually went on tour across Ontario to help the credit bureaus at the time who were affiliated with Toronto Credit Bureau to use the new system. And some of them had some difficulty with it, and how we did that is we had a data scope that would show us exactly what they were putting in and what the mistakes they were making. We would go there and we say, well, you did this, you did not format this address right. They said, how did you know that? Well, we had data scope on it. And doing that actually helped the bureaus, because once they found out how the formatting and what needs to happen with the formatting, they were much better at getting their process in place and also being able to draw credit reports for their customers.